Hello guys, welcome back to another edition with Diecast Automobiles. Well, you must be wondering why Bugs and Daffy are here, because I'm a Looney Tunes fan and I picked up a couple of Hot Wheels collection of Looney Tunes. Well, this is Daffy Duck, Hot Wheels character cars, and this is Bugs Bunny. I guess they come as a collection of 6. I managed to get only 2, so I'll let the two young ladies here to unbox and explain to you the features.
Hi, my name is Ari and this is my friend Dikshu, and my name is Dikshu. Let's open this car. I'm going to pick Daffy Duck. Now pick Bugs Bunny.
Okay.
So let me take my car. Got it. Oops. Got it. So here's Daffy Duck's beak. And I think you can't see his eyes because there's no pupils. And his tail it's so cool, and I don't know what is this. The wheels are wide and it's like, see it? And Hot Wheels. So this car is in grey color and it has this pink lines over here and has a pink nose, and it's having a tail on its back, and it's having this carrots, and it's having this full white wheels and these grey lines and round, and then it's like blue lines over here, and it's plus, and nice, and it says more stuff, DXT10 Bugs Bunny, and then TM and Warmer Bros, and more of this, and it's Hot Wheels and the character cards. And it has these. While we are seeing Bugs and Daffy, so let's see others. Bugs Bunny, we got these birds. So Daffy Duck here, Tasman Devil, and Roadrunner, Wily Coyote, and then Marvin the
Martian.
Marvin the Martian.
Thank you, ladies.
Welcome.
So this is all about the Looney Tunes Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck car. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye bye.